Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and the question I am getting asked probably more than any right now is what in heaven's name has happened to our live oaks and will they survive? So there are a couple of different types of plants. There are plants that are evergreen, that never lose their color, and there are other plants that are called deciduous, which means that they drop their leaves. The interesting thing about live oaks is that they're kind of a cross between the two of them. They stay green all the time, but what happens is they retain their old green leaves until the new leaves have come out, and you don't really notice on the tree itself that it has changed out its leaves. The only way you actually know that is by all the dead leaves underneath the tree that it's shed. That's a normal year, but as we've seen, this has been anything but a normal year for us season-wise. And so we're seeing all of these live oaks. We're not used to seeing these trees brown as we come out of the winter time, but that sure is what we're seeing right now. But the good news is all of these brown leaves that you're seeing on these trees, these were the old leaves that the tree was going to shed anyway. So it probably hasn't really done damage to the tree. All it's done is to make the old leaves turn brown, and as we're all seeing, we have a pile of leaves underneath the trees right now. But pretty soon, over the next few weeks, what we're going to notice is that it'll have shed all of these old leaves, and you're going to see new leaves bud out. So that was my suspicion. I've checked with the AgriLife. There's a video out from the Agricultural Extension Office from A&M. They said that. I also talked to a friend of mine who's an arborist, and they all seem to agree that while this doesn't look pretty, these trees should be fine over the next few weeks. So I hope that answers your question. Again, I'm getting asked that at church and at home and pretty much everywhere I go. So if you like these videos, as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share these with your friends. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.